Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So here is my look that I call Edgy Grunge Eye. It is also angled. This look did not come the way that I envisioned in my mind. I had a certain idea and I had to change a few things as I went on because it wasn't coming together like I thought. But we all have our bad makeup days and this is one of mine. Anyway, if you like this look and you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, let's get started. First off, I'm going to start with these brows. I'm going to take my spoolie and brush my brow hairs. Then I'm going to take my NYX my NYX Nebula brow pencil, and I'm going to use this for my brows today. And those will be my boys playing the video game. Their room is like across from mine. Then I'm just going to fill it in. And then I'm going to take my spoolie and brush out those hairs. Now I'm going to take my Remix Studio Brow Makeover Kit in Deep. I got this in a BoxyCharm box. And I'm going to take the wax and clean up my brow. And also my battery was dying on my mirror, so my lighting in this video isn't as good. Then I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade of Toffee, and I'm going to apply that on top, mix those together, and blend it in. Then I'm going to take my concealer buffer and blend that into my skin. I like to hold my brow on this side to make sure I don't take off my tail. And then I'm going to take my Maybelline Snapscara mascara ultraviolet to set my brows, make sure they stay in place, and also furthermore, the color. So I'm going to take my Pure Cosmetics 2.0 Festival palette, and those are the two shades that I'm going to use in my brow bone. These colors have a lot of fallout, so I'll have to shake off the excess on the brush. I'm going in with that pink. Then I'm going to go into my outer edge with the purple. I was trying to do a graphic liner today, but it was not coming out the way that I wanted. And then I'm going to go into this purple and put it on top, and that's for my Disney Villains Misunderstood palette by ColourPop because it wasn't bright enough. As you can see, my lighting's definitely changed now. Now I'm going to take my NYX glitter glue with an eyeliner brush, and I'm going to use that to map out my area for my angle shape that I want. And then I'm going to bring it down onto my lid space. I just bought some NYX waterproof primer, and I'm going to try that out and see how that goes. And then I'm going to take this glitter pressed pigment here in the Pure palette. I'm going to take my finger and apply it onto my lid, and then I'm going to take a brush to blend it out and pack it all over my lid. Almost didn't post this video, but I know we all have bad makeup days, so I wanted to share one of mine where it wasn't going the way that I planned. Then I'm going to take this blue pressed pigment and just apply that into the inner corner. And that's that shade right there. Then I'm going to take my LA Girl eyeliner in black from my waterline. Then I'm going to take those same shades that I used for my lid my brow transition area to smoke out my lower lash line. Nobody even noticed that I had purple brows today either, which is kind of funny. Or maybe they did and just didn't say anything. Those are the shades that I use for my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take my Thrive Cosmetics Lash Extensions Mascara. I love this mascara. Anytime I'm going to do a glitter liner or put anything at my crease that's glitter, I do my mascara first, so when I'm looking up I don't crack it before it's all the way dry. Okay, this is where I messed up. I took some pink liquid eyeliner and I was going to do a wing and then outline the top part of my crease, this whole part here, and the color just, I don't know, I didn't like it. It wasn't what I thought it was going to look like. I probably should have used black or maybe white. So I tried to fix it with the brush. It just wasn't looking like I wanted, so I took that blue and just went over it. And first I just was gonna go over my crease in the outer V and leave the pink as the liner, but then I ended up just doing the whole thing. Okay, then I'm just blending out my edges from the colors that I used previously. And there you have it, guys. Here's the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Bye.